Multiplication can be used in simple and complex forms. The uses of multiplication can range from being used for purchasing simple items, analyzing money, or even in science. Multiplication is extremely important for the world of business and money. Meet businessman Jeff.
My name's Jeff.
He owns a small phone company and works in stats department. Jeff can use matrices as a way to record and calculate data. Jeff can record the amount of iPhones and Samsung phones sold in area A and area B in matrix A and the price of the phones in matrix B. By multiplying matrix A by matrix B, Jeff can find out the amount of money he earned in total. First, he has to make sure that the order of both matrices can be multiplied by each other. Next, he can multiply the two matrices by moving across the first row of matrix A and down the column of matrix B. Then move along the second row of matrix A and down the column of matrix B. Multiplying, then adding the sets of the numbers accordingly will result in the total amount of money earned. Aside from analyzing data through matrices, he also uses percentages. Percentages can be used in calculating sale reduction, sale increase, discounts, markup, and many more. Jeff can record the fluctuation of sales through percentages. If in January he sold a total of 200 phones and in February he sold a lesser amount of 140 phones, he can find out the percentage reduction by using multiplication. By subtracting 140 from 200, Jeff finds the difference in sale, which is 60. Then he divides this by higher price, which is 200, and multiplies it by 100% to find the percentage of the drop in sale from January to February, which becomes 30%. After a long month of hard work, Jeff looks forward to his salary. But of course, there is nothing more Jeff hates than taxes. Taxes are calculated based on percentages and rates. This depends on how much you earn a year. Jeff earns an annual salary of $50,000 and claims a $3,000 allowance. The lowest rate of income tax accounts for 20% of his first $500. The basic rate of income tax accounts for 35% of the next $20,000, and then the highest rate of income tax account for 40% of his any taxable income remaining. Jeff can calculate the amount of tax he has to pay through multiplication. Jeff would firstly have to subtract $3,000 from $50,000 to find his taxable income. Next, he would multiply 0.2 by 500 to find the lowest rate tax. He would do the same, and this time multiply 0.35 by 20,000 to find the basic rate tax. He would have to subtract 20,500 from his taxable income to find the remaining amount of taxable income he has left to pay. He then has to multiply this by 0.4 to find the highest rate tax. The final step is to add and find the total of the tax payable of the lowest, basic, and highest rate taxes he has to pay. Multiplying can be used in much simpler ways. Meet Jeff's son Bob. Bob uses multiplication in most common ways for purchasing items. Look, it's Bob. If Bob wants to buy 3 packets of spicy chips for him and his sibling, he must calculate how much money he needs to pay for them. $3.20 for 1 packet of chips. Damn, that's expensive. To buy $3.20 chips, 3 times 5 is the same as saying 3 5s added together, or 5 3s added together. So 3 times 5 equals 5 plus 5 plus 5, or 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3, which both equal 15. So 3 times 3.2 is equal to 3.2 plus 3.2 plus 3.2, which is equal to $9.40. So now, Bob must pay $9.40, and as he brought $10, he can have 60 cents left for himself to buy more lollipops. This brings us to the end of the video. We discussed about how multiplication can be used in business, purchasing everyday items. Thanks for watching and I hope you enjoyed this video.